If you're buying a budget tablet, you probably have one big fear, that it's going to be slow. Some cheap tablets lag when opening apps, some freeze after a few months, and some look affordable but feel frustrating to use every day. In this video, I'll show you the best budget tablets that are actually smooth, reliable, and worth your money, so you don't sacrifice performance just to save cash. Number 5. OnePlus Pad Lite. Best battery life. After 3 generations of mid-range tablets, OnePlus launched its first budget slate in 2025, and it's a real contender. The Pad Lite nails most of the fundamentals of a great tablet: an attractive 11-inch display with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, slick software that's set up for multitasking, and superb battery life from the 9,340 mAh cell. You also get solid performance from the MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, all wrapped up in an impressively premium design. However, as impressive as that display is, limited brightness can make outdoor visibility a challenge. Annoying speaker placement means you're often blocking the impressive sound quality, while common features such as support for microSD storage expansion and a fingerprint sensor are missing. The latter means you're relying on the much less secure face unlock to get into your device. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab A11+. The Galaxy Tab A11+ is an underwhelming update which adds very little to the overall experience. But the Tab A9 Plus was already such a solid device that its successor is undoubtedly worthy of inclusion. Of course, the main selling point compared to the regular Tab A11 is its larger 11-inch LCD display, which is a real highlight. When combined with impressive audio from the quad speaker system, it's ideal for watching movies and TV. The familiar design still does the job, while Samsung's One UI 8 software is well suited to tablets. A 7-year software update promise means the Tab A11 Plus is future-proofed too. A fingerprint sensor is one upgrade I'd have loved to see, but there are no real deal-breakers here. The Tab A11 Plus is a reliable budget slate that should stand the test of time. Number 3. Apple iPad A16, best for Apple users. So we're breaking the rules slightly with one, as Apple's entry-level iPad carries a price tag of £329, $349 and upwards, which is above the £300, $300 limit we set for entries into this article. But the reason why this iPad gets a pass is that it can regularly be found at a price just below that. At almost every major sale, we've seen significant discounts for the iPad A16, so if you ever spot it at full price, it's unlikely that you'll have to wait for long before another discount appears. What's impressive is even at its full RRP, the iPad A16 is something of a bargain, given that you're still getting the same core iPadOS experience that you can enjoy with the iPad Air and the iPad Pro, but for a lot less. This includes intuitive multitasking, something that's only been improved with iPadOS 26, exclusive Apple apps, and seamless connectivity with devices like your AirPods. Number 2. Xiaomi Redmi Pad 2. Best overall. You might know Xiaomi's Redmi line from the world of budget smartphones. But with the Redmi Pad 2, we've seen just how good its tablets can be. Despite costing just £169 in the UK, sadly not available in the US, it offers plenty of compelling features. You can look forward to a premium-like design that feels a lot more expensive, a solid 11-inch 90Hz display, and a superb quad speaker system. Throw in decent performance and solid battery life, and you've got yourself an excellent all-rounder. Compromises are inevitable at this price, and here they come in the form of just 18-watt charging, hit-and-miss Xiaomi software, and basic cameras that don't offer much. But when you're paying so little and getting so much, it's easy to recommend the Redmi Pad 2 to pretty much everyone. Number 1. Redmi Pad SE, best design. For just £199, not available in the US, the Redmi Pad SE offers a very good all-around tablet experience. That starts with the design, which looks the part and is clearly inspired by more expensive tablets. The 11-inch Full HD LCD display also holds its own, especially with a 90 Hz refresh rate. Don't expect amazing performance from the Snapdragon 680 chipset, but it is powerful enough for day-to-day usage, even with just 4 GB of RAM. An already generous 128 GB of storage is expandable via microSD, while punchy audio and 2-day battery life are both better than you might expect. Inevitable compromises come in the form of slow charging, annoying additions to Xiaomi's MIUI software, and only 2 years of Android version updates. But with 3 years of security updates, it's still easy to recommend. If you need a tablet for a specific job, like trucking, navigation, and long road trips, I've made a separate guide on the best tablet for truck drivers. Check that out next. And if this video helped you avoid a slow tablet, hit like so others don't make the same mistake.